These C7s are beautiful cars, and this one is no exception. This 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 1LT Coupe is absolutely gorgeous in that bright red color. This is torch red on the exterior. It has that jet black interior, and under the hood you'll find that 555 horsepower LT1 engine with 7-speed manual transmission. What a fun car to drive this will be. Factory features include, of course, the Bose 9-speaker AM, FM, XM, MP3, USB stereo with steering wheel controls. It also has MyLink, and of course Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities are available on this car. It has dual power seats, a Bluetooth package, keyless entry and start, dual zone electronic climate control, HID headlights, OnStar, tilt-n-tele, side airbags, rear view camera, power windows. Well, everything on this car is power, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, this car comes with a clean Carfax, and remember that desirable 7-speed manual transmission. This 2016 Corvette Stingray shows, are you ready for this, just 16,050 miles. It's really almost a new car, and it is in very nice condition. The paint is very good, that great shine. The factory painted wheels are in very good condition as well. And the interior of this car, well, just take a look at it here on our video or on the photos, very detailed photos on our website at buyavette.net. This Stingray shows very good to excellent factory leather seats, very good center console, door panel, steering wheel. And the only addition to this car appears to be window tint. So give this car a good look over, and then give one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552, and they'll help you with this car. Remember, if this doesn't exactly do something for you, we always have 120 or more Corvettes in stock. We're located here in Atlanta, Georgia, but we are an online dealer. We make that online purchase experience an incredibly easy one to do, and we ship nationwide and worldwide every week from here in Atlanta, Georgia. So give us a call. We intend to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. For buyavette.net, Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you real soon.